makabagsak, Jay. Nakakabagsak ka ba? Nipis, wala kang bagsak ka? Yeah. Something here. LGBT. Hi. Hi, Nolly. Wala kang bagsak kahit piso. Thank you. Bye-bye. Dear. I'm teaching English as a second language. Hi, Ash. Ikaw na lang ang magbagsak user. Alberto, hello. English as a second language. Hi, Mar. BMX. Thanks, Vigilant. Ikaw, kung magkano. Traffic. I'm doing it with phone. Live streaming with my phone. My phone is lagging. That's why I really need to buy a new one. Roger. Jablito. Oh, my job with laptop. In Garage Trust. Hello. I am Baby. Hello. Andy. Hello. Thank you, Yan. My phone is too lag. It's laggy. My Mark, I really need to buy a new one. When BJ. Hunting, thank you. Hi, Manuel. John, it's happy. Hello. Or kung you want. Kahit anong phone. I want Tecno. May nakita nga ako tag 3K na Tecno. I like it. 3.7, parang ganun. Manager. Walang yan basket dito. Jan, thank you for the follow. Uy, malapit lang head. Malapit lang. Ay, baka naman, user. Nagpapaaraw naman ako. Actually, yung work ko sa field before, sobra sa araw. VIP spender. Ay, malapit lang. Ilocos. Boy Hero! Malutawan 124. I will be having my birthday this March 13, Richie. I think you forgot about that. What's your birthday present? Francis, thank you. Advance happy birthday, PJ. Hi, Chad. Advance happy birthday sa atin. Chino. Arnold. FJ, hello. Welcome. And thank you. Palita, thank you. Well, Lauren. Tik ka sa akin yung Big Ben. Yeah, I know. Widow 22. Wala naman. Ano ulam? Ito. Ay, kaldereta pala, sorry. Caldereta. www.myspace. Thank you so much, Rich. Uy! It's not my birthday yet. My birthday will be on March 13, Richie. Halika na dyan. Marami pa dito. Yeah, that's more than enough, Richie. Thank you so much. Mowa. hindi pa nga ako nakakapunta. Ah, yes! Thank you so much, user. Sobrang swerte, Jessie. Kung sino man siya. Hi, Ares. Hi, Joey. Oh, see, I told you, you forget about it. But you never mentioned your birthday to me, Richie. Hi, Mom. Intramuros na lang tayo. Hindi ko din alam dyan. Hindi pa ako nakakapunta. Hi. Thank you so much. Ang generous mo naman. Uy, Boy Hero, thank you. Boy Hero, malapit ang birthday ko, ha? June 18. Okay. I have to remember that. Ang generous mo naman, user. You're not dreaming. Boy Hero, thank you. Steven, hello. Oh no, you forget about my birthday. I told you about that. How many times? Uy, maganda sa vegan. Hi, Mars. Nakapunta na ako sa vegan isang beses. Okay. So, my other account na to, my main account. O, hindi ako matangkad, user. I'm just 5'3". Gustavo, hello. Mr. Ice, hello. You don't really have to give me anything. You don't really have to give me anything. I was just joking, Richie. Marbs, thank you. Saan ka ba sa vegan? Nakapunta na ako sa vegan kasi sobrang init. Ang tangkad mo pala, Marbs. Try it.